Here's a quick explanation of how to do our waistband on our skirt without putting in a zipper. We're going to want to cut the opening of our circle skirt first to be the width of our waist plus 4 inches extra plus your seam allowance. So you're going to want to measure your waist, your hips, and if your hips are 34 inches, add 4 more inches on. That would make it 38 inches. Plus you're going to want to have seam allowance for the side seams, and that's usually at, let's say, a ½ inch in this case. So add 1 extra inch. You're going to hear the baby. So it's going to be 34 inches for your hips as our example. Add 4 inches extra for the ease of dressing, pulling it on. Add 1 extra inch for our seam allowance. So 34-inch hips would be 39 for the waist measurement is what we're going to cut for that measurement right there. It's going to need to be 39 in our example. Now the waistband, you just cut a strip of fabric to that measurement that we just figured out, the same measurement that you cut for the waist of your skirt. So if the waist of your skirt is cut at 39, you cut this also at 39. You take your long strip and you're going to want to match up the ends and you're going to sew it right along the edge there. And it's going to end up looking like this tube. There's our seam allowance. You're going to want to take the tube, that was your waist strip, and you're going to want to turn it where it's going to have wrong sides together. And you're going to want to match that up all the way around. And it's going to look like this. So you have got your right side on the outside of your waistband, and it's folded. You can see there it's folded. And the wrong side on the inside. You're going to take that and you're going to place this right side of the waistband on top of your skirt, and your skirt has the right side on the outside. So it's right sides together for the waistband on top with the skirt sandwiched in the middle, and you're going to match up those 3 layers, and you're going to pin it all the way around, and you're going to sew it using your seam allowance. Right here you're going to sew all the way. Put it on the machine here so I can show you. So you're going to want to sew it all the way around, and you're going to want to leave a little opening for your elastic, about 1.5 inches opening for your elastic to go through. When you have your skirt sewed all the way around except for that one little opening left open, then you're going to take your elastic and you're going to thread one end of it onto a safety pin, and you're going to put it in that little opening that you left, and you're going to thread it all the way around your skirt until it comes out the other side. And then you're going to stitch the ends of the elastic that are going to be poking out here. Then you will take your skirt, flip the waistband up, and it will be finished. If you have any questions after watching this video, message me right away, okay?